Hi, it's Matt again from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres over in the UK. Today I just wanted to introduce you to a new 30-inch light bar integration kit that we've got for the new 19.5 model year facelift Ranger. You can tell that new Sabre Orange against this black grille looks absolutely amazing. What I'm going to do is focus a little bit on what we've actually done here. So we know they've been out in the past, you can buy these light bars, they're pretty readily available everywhere. But what we've done, we've spent a lot of time and invested a lot into getting it to give it a little bit more of a standard look, like it's supposed to be there. So we spent a lot of time designing the brackets, so it comes as a full integration kit. So you're not just getting a light bar sent to you, you are getting the full bracketry system, full with instructions, the LED 30-inch light bar, but also as well, so this is our design for the grille. But what you're not just getting is an insert for the grille, you're actually getting the complete grille surround as well. So you take off your standard factory one, replace it with this, already comes with mounting points for your number plate, so it couldn't be any easier. Now, this one here is finished in matte black, just down to opinion. We also do it in a Wildtrak Grey. Now, Wildtrak Grey will be to match this colour on the fog lights around, it matches the mirrors, so it's not as if we just brought a random colour in there, it's actually colour that's already on the vehicle. Now, the difference between the grills, it's not the full grill that's Wildtrak Grey, it would just be this section here behind the number plate, so it sort of flows with the lights surrounds there. So the light works off just your normal main beam. All Ranger owners will know in regards to the headlights and what it's like to own a Ranger with these headlights. So this just adds to nighttime safety, better vision, and let's be honest, it looks amazing. What I'll do is when I talk around some of these other products, I'll show you as I'm going around. I'll put it on for you so you can have a look. Now, mixed in there is our 76mm city spoiler bar, finished in satin black, just nice under there. We do like that. And as I move around to just show you what else we've got going on to turn the lights on, you can see that we've got our Predator Hurricane wheel on there. All available online. You can go in there, have a look at the specs, available in 18-inch and 20-inch. And this is mixed with our new arch, and this is just again for facelift Ranger. Bit more subtle, we do the extremes, we've got 4 different sets of arches for them, but this one is probably one of my favourites as well. So you've got a 2-tone to match body colour, and it comes with this reflector, just something a little bit different, but I think it's really, really nice. So what I'll do is I will finish on showing you the LED light bar, and then if you need any more information, all you've got to do, click on the link below, give one of our guys a call, and they'll be able to talk you through it, and hopefully we'll see an order from you soon. So what I'll do is I'll finish on showing you the light.